Years ago, you copied a box of documents and looked through it by hand. Now you image it, you scan it, you put it into summation, you electronically review it. There's all kind of new e-discovery software that both the vendors utilize and that we have in-house. So it's a whole different ballgame. It's also, if you think about it, more cost effective. I've really taken a look at how I could, instead of copying a box of documents, maybe image it and blow it back. Cost savings for the client. I think that paralegals and probably attorneys are more conscious when it comes to costs, especially with e-discovery, which could become quite expensive. I think the first thing you need to think of when cost cutting is, first of all, how did the media get created? All the clients use email, so it's in electronic form to begin with. So you need to utilize that. It will be better. You're not going to print out 500 emails when you can load them and review them electronically. That'll save your client tons of money. 10 years ago, when you asked the client to provide you documents to support your claims in a case, they took their email and they printed it out for you and they delivered you a box of paper. Times have really changed. We work with the client to keep it in the electronic media for both review costs and costs on their end to image it.